Hi, I'm Lionel, this is Tech Loto, and let's talk about getting started with the Polar Ignite 2. If you've got the Polar Ignite, I would make a big assumption that this is probably your first Polar watch. And it's a good entry-level watch, it's fantastic, but with the Polar watches, it can feel like a bit of a minefield. So how do you get started on it straight away without having to know how to use all of the features? You just want to get into how can I use this watch to get fit and what direction is it best to go in? All you need to do is switch on your Polar Ignite 2, scroll over to the section that tells you which daily exercise you need to do. In this section, you'll be able to see whether you need to do cardio exercises, whether you need to build muscle, whether you need to perform some recovery exercises that allow you to stretch out. This is the section that you need to live in. If you follow this pattern for about 2 weeks, I guarantee you that you'll feel confident with using the watch and you feel more in tune with the user interface. So as I said, scroll over to that section of the watch, select one exercise out of the ones it's giving you for the day. It will give you instructions about your intensity, about your recovery, and you can also see all the details after the exercise on your watch or on your phone. I would say go into the app after this, click into that exercise, and then you can start seeing things like your cardio load status, which is basically showing you the intensity of your workout that you're used to, so your tolerance, and then it's also showing you your strain, so how much intensity you're actually doing in that time. But that's the quickest and easiest way to get used to Polar watches. Essentially, you have a workout plan on your watch built in for you already. Don't complicate things. Even for people who've used Polar for a really long time, this is a really useful feature which I think we tend to overlook. So I was really fit in 2021 and I'm trying to get back into that mode again, and the cardio load status is a fantastic way for me to get back into it. So the first thing is follow the daily exercises that the watch has set for you. Second thing is track your cardio load status. With these two things, you become a Polar expert in no time, and then you can watch my breakdown videos for the Polar Ignite and for the Polar Vantage V2. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching.